Good morning to all of my MMTs. I'm going to show you one of the things that we're going to talk about this morning is a stock called Intercept Pharmaceuticals. Intercept gapped all the way to 490 shares over here in this time frame. In 2014, this stock was $50 and it went to $497 in 2 days. This has been the biggest and the strongest biotech gain in the United States history in the whole world. And we have covered it and we have traded it. And today, check it out. This is a daily chart. Check it out. From 500 to here, within the trading ranges in these dates, going back in all the calendar dates, is that we're going to show you something right now. I'm going to show you on this daily chart. I'm going to show you right now that this stock gapped down huge. And on the daily chart, and one thing about trading biotech, just like today, we did the live trade on CMRX and we sold out at the highs. Today, this morning, ICPT dropped from 222 to 211.50. However, in pre-market, we bought this stock to go long at 206.75 before the market opened at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That means that this stock ran from there all the way to 220. The news that came out, which I will cover and I will update on the website tonight, is it's been a beautiful stock. It's trading the volatility. The headlines that came out gapped it down. Right now, we are short, but we bought it to go up. It's got a $9.37 range. And once again, this stock is totally broken right now. It happens to a lot of biotech. If you don't sell at the highs, and you don't understand how to get out, you don't understand the events, and you don't have a total risk management behind what you're doing, you can get killed. And you can. And on this daily chart, the time is 8:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And this is ICPT. Like I said, it's been one of the best stocks ever in the United States history. Our friend, Mr. Cohen, Stevie Boy, made $361 million on this goddamn stock. And we made a tremendous amount of money. And you got to understand one thing. How do I trade the volatility? How do I trade the biotech sector? How do I trade the IBB? The IBB. What is the IBB? It's this right here. It's an ETF. And you can trade the biotech sector, and you can own a little bit of everything. It has a great movement off of the bottom up to the highs. That was a close, that was a low, and that was a high. And that's a way for people to have exposure in all of the biotech sector instead of just having one. And that from a day-to-day level, as long as that risk management is applied correctly, and we're here to do that for you, you can make a tremendous amount of money in that. So I'm going to be doing a very special write-up on ICPT. I am also going to update all of the clinical trials that have been going on and what phase those clinical trials are in. And when will that particular trial get to the PDUFA stage? And when do we get a pre-panel of people before going to the FDA? Is that there'll be a panel of doctors, they'll go over everything that has happened, and then there's going to be reports. This has been the best stock in the biotech sector ever in the United States history. And it's amazing what medicine can do as new medicines come to fruit, and they will. But this is a big down day today. And we had a big trading ranges. $13.90. Yeah. You heard what I said. I didn't stutter either. That was the trade. This thing is broken. So we're going to buy off of the low and we're going to sell into the highs. We're going to sell short into the high and buy off of the low. And we're going to continue to do it every day, all day, in the price action. And I will have Mr. Plain get all of my reports ready. We will update those reports and we're going to get to complete clinical results as what's been happening from the trials and whatnot. Once again, great price volatility. We made a lot of money on that stock today.